So how do we actually enable and use the dual connection on our OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro? So the first thing we need to do is to go to the Hey Melody app here, as you can see, and then on device here, I'm just gonna scroll down and click on dual connection. And then we need to enable the dual connection here, as you can see. So this one needs to be turned on. You can see it's already connected here to my iPhone, but I'm going to connect it now to my second phone as well. So I'm just gonna open up my second phone here and then go into settings and then go into Bluetooth. Now what I'm going to do on my OnePlus here is to click on this button right here. Click and hold until you will get this blinking light here. And then I'm just gonna click on connect here. Just gonna pair it and I'm just gonna click on close. And you can see this one is paired now to this phone as well. And you can see here on the app, you can see it's connected both to my iPhone but also to my Android phone here as well. So that is basically exactly how to enable and use the dual connection on your OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro.